Hey there, welcome to another video. Today we are diving into a little tech problem that might have left you scratching your head. Have you ever wondered why Google Maps on your iPhone only rotates 90 degrees, but not a full 180 degrees? Picture this. You're driving around, phone snug in the cup holder, but when you need to plug it in, it ends up upside down, making Google Maps a tad hard to read. Annoying, right? Well, we're here to explore the ins and outs of this quirky little problem. Now, let's get into the solution. Turns out apps like Google Maps specify which orientations they support using something called UI-supported interface orientation. While the app could declare support for the portrait upside-down orientation, iOS doesn't allow this particular orientation on iPhones with Face ID. Say hello to UI interface orientation portrait upside down, a mode that flips the screen when the device is upright with the front camera at the bottom. But alas, this option gets ignored on iPhones without a home button. The wonders of technology. In summary, we've uncovered the reason behind Google Maps' limited rotation capability on your iPhone. It's all about how iOS handles different orientations and the limitations that come with certain device features like Face ID. So next time you find yourself struggling with Google Maps refusing to rotate a full 180 degrees, you'll know it's simply a case of iOS restrictions at play. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or your favorite map on. Until next time.